Hi everybody, my name is Hannah and this is Pepper and Pine, and today I have a super quick, easy recipe for crepes. Now this is an alteration on a family heirloom recipe, and what I love about it is that it calls for so many eggs, which means that it's really great for anybody trying to stick to a high protein diet that doesn't have too many carbs, although we are going to add some flour and sugar. So we started out with 12 eggs, and I just took those shells to put in my compost bin, and about 2/3 cup of flour. And you could even go less on the flour if you wanted to. And then 1/4 cup of cream, which is totally optional. You'll just add more water if you omit the cream. Next, we're going to put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. We just always have brown sugar in the house rather than any other kind of sugar, but you could use whatever you'd like. And then we are going to do about 3 tablespoons of butter. And I am just going to melt that in the microwave for about 20 seconds. And then we're going to add that to everything. Alright, so I'm using my NutriBullet in order to blend this, and of course it's super quick and easy, and everything goes into this one canister. There's only one more ingredient that I need, and that is the water, and I'm going to put up to 1 cup of water. I start out with about 1/2 to 2/3 of a cup. You just want to make sure that the consistency ends up being about as thick as milk. So if it's not thick enough, you can add more water. And you only want to blend for about 10 seconds. You don't want to over blend and get too many bubbles, and it really doesn't take too long. When you're using a NutriBullet or any kind of similar blending tool, it goes by really quickly, and you can see how watery this batter is. So about milk, maybe a little bit thicker than water. You want it to be really thin. Next, we're going to add butter to a pan that's about medium heat. You do want it hot enough so that it cooks in about a minute or so. Don't want it too cool. And of course, if it's too hot, then you'll end up making the bottom of your pancake a little bit hard. So this is just perfect. It was cooking for about less than a minute on one side and about less than 30 seconds on the other side. And so do not leave your pan. Stick around while you're cooking these because they cook up really fast. Topping mine with a little bit of honey, butter, and raspberries with a little bit of whipped cream. Of course, you can get really creative with your toppings. One of our family favorites is hot dogs with cream cheese. Alright, so for the complete recipe, you can check the description box below for more pictures. You can find them on my website at pepperandpine.com. And don't forget that if you want to see what we are up to on a daily basis, you can find me on Instagram at Pepper and Pine.